Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ribbit's door from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw a large oval on an angle for the first eye. Then let's hop over to the right and let's draw another oval for the other one. Next, inside each eye, let's start at the top and let's draw a curve down. Add a V-shaped notch in. And then let's curve it down and over. And then color both of the pupils in black. Now let's move outside near the top and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And the same on the other eye. And then in the center, let's add a bump across. Now to continue the face, let's start on the right and let's draw a curve down. And then from the left side, we're going to bring it out for the cheek and down. And connect it with a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in underneath each eye and let's draw a curve around and back up for the cheeks. And then inside the cheeks, let's add 2 lines down underneath the eyes for the eyelashes. Now in the bottom section of the head, let's draw a curve across, like this. And then let's add a large U-shaped curve on an angle for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Next, we're going to hop out and we're going to draw the circle. Let's start at the top in between the eyes and let's draw a curve across. And then let's continue it down on the other side of the eyes and bring it back up on the right. Now we're going to thicken up this line by adding another one next to it at the top and all the way around. And then let's color this in black. Now that we have the circle, let's hop in and let's finish the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a bump up. And then from each end, let's curve it down and over to the right side. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's add the sides of the bow tie by curving it out from the top. Let's bring it down. And back in at the bottom. Now let's hop in, starting at the center. Let's bring it out and curve it in underneath. Now to add the body, on the left, let's draw 2 curves down, a curve down on the right, then hop out and let's draw a curve out. And that's it for Ribbit's door. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!